Well, hello everyone. It's Donna. How are you doing? Well, I guess you can see that I got all of my half square triangles trimmed down. Um, I I started out, um, Sunday morning needing. Gotta get my foot pedal up here. With only 20 of them done, so I needed 172, I think. Well, yesterday I got 100 done, and I was exhausted, and I do mean exhausted, but I did get the 100 done. Um, so I finished up the last today, and I just couldn't resist. I mean, I'm not going to be selling much, but just to push on through the next phase, just getting started on it, just to get that behind me. I've got a little thumb thing now, but it's easy for me to get an RSI in my thumb, so I'm hoping I'm getting all of these right because I really don't want to have to undo them, but if I do, I do. So what are you sewing on today? Oops. I hope you're having a good day. It is currently 100 in the shade at my house right now. So that means the heat index is probably about 105 or 107. I don't know. It's hot, but it's hot everywhere. So now I was watching a lot of Fabric Cafe's videos earlier today as I was trimming up my stuff, and I am seriously starting to question my fabric choices all the way around. So it's either going to be a beautiful quilt or a terrible quilt, but it's going to get done. Now, saying that, if I don't like it when I get it pieced, then it may go into a donation thing. I've got a couple that I'm thinking about just donating. There's a couple that I really want to finish, but I don't know. I've just got so many more that I want to make. I don't know if it's worth revisiting some, and that you haven't even seen them yet, but I don't know. I just don't know if they're worth my biting and my time. But it's neither here nor there. On this, I have found that if I sew from um, the one where it's two sides versus where the triangles meet, that I have a better time. If I was starting off up there, it's giving me a little bit more of an issue, and I'm just like, turn it around, and it said better, so that's what we're doing. Just some sewing ASMR going on. So we're taking votes. Is this going to come out hideous or is this going to come out looking pretty good? I don't know. So what I'm doing is I am taking all of the half square triangles and sewing them together exactly the same way. So I'm making, I guess, strip A and strip B at the same time. I'll finish strip B when I get all of these made, because it's just adding solid blocks on each end of half of them, which is cool. Do y'all normally listen to quilting YouTubes while you quilt? I do. I listen, I don't know for how many hours yesterday while I was trimming, and this morning as well. Lots and lots. They inspire me, and it makes me want to be a better quilter. So, just number 3 fabric here, I had to cut a couple of strip sets that will go on here. I had to cut the squares out of there, and I actually put in a new rotary blade, because goodness knows I needed one. And I don't know, there's still a couple of places, but I think it's actually on my cutting mat. I'll have to check that out, clean it, and see if it's any better. But my cutting mat, this one, I don't know if it's the one from the 90s or the one from the 80s, but yeah. For some reason, my cutting mats seem to last a very long time, and I do use them a lot. But I have noticed that they are starting to show their age. And I just don't know if the ones they make today are as durable as that one is, because, you know, having it so long. I guess I could get the other side, because that's a 72-inch one, and just whip it up there and call her done. But I haven't done that yet. Anyway, I am going to let you go. I am just going to keep sewing on this. I am not sure if it's going to end here or if I will show doing some of the bees as well. But it gives me hope for this quilt now that the one is over. So with that, I'll sew this one and close it out. Hope you are having a great great day. Talk to you later. Bye.